Hi, Rishit.
Hello.
Hi, nice to see you all, guys. Rishit, do you know what is going to come at school? Before everybody comes, you can let me know. Do you know?
What?
Do you know what is going to come next at school?
Yeah, the immediate second I go back to school, I have a test on system of inequalities.
Oh, I see. A system of inequalities. Ah, okay. So we started covering it, but didn't do it in depth, right?
Yeah.
I see. I don't know whether I brought my writing pen. That is so bad. Let's see. I will get my thing on in a minute, guys. Good. Let me. System of inequalities we can review, but I really want to understand how is it, what is the next thing upcoming for Harshita. How are you, ma? Were you able to get through some of these past homework, ma, Harshita?
Yeah, I did the past homework.
Oh, okay. Okay. How are you, Pranav? How was the vacation?
It was fun, and I finished the homework.
Oh, that is nice. Bhakti, how about you?
It was good, but I also went on vacation, so I didn't do much. But I had one paper and I lost it, but then I found it, so
Were
I have
you
to
able
submit
to
it.
get through some of the homework
Yeah,
as well?
I did the homework.
Were we able to get some of the homework done? Bhakti, that was a question to you. I'll switch
Oh,
on the video,
yeah,
guys. Give me a minute. What was it, ma?
yeah. Hello?
Sorry, guys. I had messy internet. That's why I thought I'll switch on the video in a minute, but that didn't work. So I'm going to go ahead and switch on to hotspot. This should work well. Okay. Okay. Adira, I got your mom's message. Okay. So we'll go ahead and revise inequalities. But I would like to know the path for Frisco ISD, guys. Who, Akshada, do you know what is coming up next, ma? In your calendar at school?
No, they didn't tell me.
Did you see the canvas?
Like for the curriculum?
Yeah.
No,
Did
I
they put,
didn't see it. They
usually
actually
they'll put on the calendar, right?
they haven't put up like anything for this week. Maybe I'll check tomorrow.
Do you want to check, Rishit? Did you check?
I checked earlier, yesterday and
Mm,
this morning. They
mm.
haven't posted anything.
Oh, so you don't know what is going to come after inequalities, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, doesn't matter. Okay. How about you, ma, Srinita? Do you know what is going to come next?
No, they haven't really posted anything.
No problem at all. Okay. Adira, what are you learning in school, ma?
Um, we're on winter break and like we had midterms all week, so we haven't like actually learned anything in a while. We've
Okay.
just been doing review stuff for midterms.
Okay, let's go ahead and try this one. Let's see. We are going to do word problems on system of inequalities. Let's try this one, okay? Okay, how about this? We'll continue with where we were and then give me a minute. Everybody's logging in now. Okay. I can go with whatever is in my lesson plan, Amma, but the only thing is, it'll be helpful for you if you do something that relates to school as well. But anyway, I'm going to continue with the word problems. See, last we discussed the regarding the word problems, right? In inequalities, we did it, but the inequality word problem, we are not still that good with it. Nabiha, what is going to come next at school? Do you know?
I'm not entirely sure, but I think we're gonna keep on studying inequalities for a little longer.
Oh, okay, because that's a hard topic. Okay, so let's go ahead with word problems on on inequalities. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. We'll do one thing. Um, I don't know how hard it is on you after the break to get started with this assess. I'm okay to be patient. I can go over it again, but I want each of you to learn what is going on with it. Meaning, if you had forgotten, I'll help you. I'm saying so. Feel free to let me know that you didn't get it. Okay. So now, first define your variables, and then write your inequalities. There will be one or two inequalities that you have to solve, right? So write those inequalities, and then let's find a solution for them. Let's see. So let's go with define the variables, write the inequality. So let's do that first. Can we do that, guys?
Yeah.
See, do you know what is going to come next after inequalities at school? Pranav, you're also doing algebra 1 at school, right, Pranav?
What?
You're also doing algebra 1 at school, right?
Yeah.
So what is the next upcoming topic for you?
They don't tell us until like we start it.
Okay. Go ahead, guys. If you need help, I'll definitely help you guys. Let me know. I need to see what topic is next. If you need help, immediately you're going to let me know, please. Okay, we will do some complex problems as well on this. Oh, wow. Okay. Rishit, you have got one equation which I do see it. Oh, wow. Hey, guys, you're all getting the equations, I feel. Let's see. Huh. Happy to be good to see, guys.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Uh-huh.
I think I got like the equation, but I don't know like what to do after that.
No problem, ma. I'll help you. So, Akshada, your inequalities are right. You can go ahead with solving them. You can go ahead with solving the inequality, Akshada. Rishit, H is the number of H is the number of
House cleaning.
sales is S, right? Okay, that
Yeah.
is correct. But is it less than or equal to 10, Amma? See, pi H is the amount you're earning. Left hand side tells you the amount you're earning. Right hand side tells you the number of hours. Can you equate them, Rishit?
Okay.
You see the problem, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, each of you give me your equations. It's okay to go wrong. Then only you will learn. Okay, Srinita, I'm checking. Okay. Less than or equal to 10. This is greater than or equal to. Okay. Adira, you can proceed, Adira. Solving the inequality. Yeah, you don't know what to do next, you said, right? Graph it. Form a graph, turn them to equations, draw the lines, and then start coloring. Am I making sense?
I did solve it, but my answers are like about the same.
Yojit, you can keep going. Where do you put? Okay. Bhakti, I really want you to come up with an equation for the number of hours. If X is the number of hours house cleaning, Y is the number of hours in sales, you can come up with an equation based on the number of hours. You can work a total of no more than 10. Can you write the inequality, Bhakti? The second inequality should involve money. How much you earn from house
Okay.
cleaning, how much you earn from sales, and that should be less than or greater than or whatever. You need to earn at least. So using that, frame the other inequality. Make sense, Bhakti? Good job, Pranav. Go ahead with the second equation. Nabiha, your equation inequalities are right. You can go ahead with solving them. Put it in a graph. Who needs help? You're going to blindly tell me, guys, because I really need you to shout out, hey, I'm not understanding. Let's keep working on it. So that sort of a confirmation I need from you guys. You all keep quiet. We are not going to learn anything. Whoever keeps quiet is not going to learn.
I just need time, like a minute.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, no, time is not a problem. At least two problems I want everybody to do.
Miss Priya, I know how to solve it, but I don't know what to do with the signs.
Okay, with the science, I'll help you on that.
Miss Priya, can you check my equation?
Vinisha, yours was right, Amma. I saw actually.
Is mine correct?
Vinisha, wait, you're a bit Vinisha, did you send your equation?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that is correct. That equation is correct. 5x plus 8y. That is correct. But what is that for x and y? X and y should be less than or equal to 10. That's the other equation, right, Ma?
Okay, I got that.
Got it? So we have quadratic. Before we go to quadratic functions, I don't know. You want to go ahead with quadratic functions? I can do that. Yeah. We'll go to exponential functions. That's better before we go to quadratics. See, that's where I would like to know what is your school going. Usually I go with exponential functions next. Okay. But before I go to exponential functions, I would really like to understand what is the school doing so that I can help you with that as well. That's okay, guys.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead.
My teacher told me that when we come back, we're just gonna finish a little bit more equalities and then we're gonna start on quadratics.
And quadratics, see, that's what I wanted to know because see, per me, I will go ahead with exponential equations. So I don't want to do that. I can switch it, tailor anything for you. Okay, so I'll go with quadratics then. See, that way you get benefit, meaning some of you at least would get benefited from what we do, right? Okay, I'll do that. Thank you. Bhakti, that was a good input. Now go ahead, guys. Okay, first we'll solve these inequalities. Okay, nicely. Yes, Bhakti, you got it. Good job. But Bhakti, wait. All of you are having problems with the sign. Why are you having problems with the sign is something I need to understand now. See, guys, whoever has problems with the sign, I want you to listen. Okay. Many of you have problems with the sign. Pranav, did you get your equation, the inequalities?
I think so. I think I sent my answer.
Okay. See, H is the hours in house cleaning. Okay. S is the number of hours in sales. Right? Now, I can work no more than 10 hours. So, number of hours I work is H plus S, right? Whatever expression, this is the hours I work.
Checking
It
my email.
cannot be more than. So, it has to be less than or equal to 10. See the sign.
Teaching the checking the email.
I cannot work more than 10 hours means 10 is the largest. You see? And then what money I earn? What is the money I earn from house cleaning? 5H and then 8S, right? That's the total money I earn from both. What are they saying? You need to earn at least, this side has 56. How do you insert the sign? You have to earn at least 56 means whatever you earn can be more than at least 56 means 56 is the least. So the crocodile closed mouth should point to 56. You get it? It can be 56 or greater. Whatever you earn can be greater or equal to 56. So you now have two inequalities, correct? So I'm going to plot them. H plus S equal to 10. How to plot them? This was the second step. Step 2 was to write. Step 1 was to define the variables. Step 3 is what? Solve. How to solve? You have to graph it. How to graph it? For the first equation, let's say the first equation, right? What are the points? Put h equal to 0, s is equal to 10. Put s is equal to 0, h is equal to 10. Do you get it, guys? So 0, comma 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a point. This is a point. I
Miss
will.
Priya, we can't see a drawing.
Yeah, we can only see the equation.
Okay. You can only see the equation. Okay.
Yeah, we can't see a drawing.
Thank you for letting me know, but I do also see that it is in orange. I don't know now everything is going to go. I'm going to redo it. Oh my gosh. I don't know why, guys. Suddenly it changed to orange. I'm going to stop share. I have no other go. Hold on.
We could see it now, but now it's gone.
No. Meaning some of them are not able to see, so I'll do it again. It's okay. I'm glad that you're all voicing out. That's what I want actually. So this is step 1 I did, right? Hours, house cleaning. I'll be quick, okay? Sales hours, right? Now, step 2 is form your equations. H plus S is less than or equal to 10. 5H plus 8S. If I make a mistake, you're going to shout out, okay? Is greater than or equal to 56. Now, step 3 is I have to solve. How to solve? I have to draw my graph, correct? So, let's say this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, if that is the case, this is my line. Correct, guys? But is it a thick line or a dotted line? How to do this? This is equation number 1. Are all of you able to see the graph now? Okay.
Yeah.
So how to graph this? Put h equal, meaning in the first equation, put h equal to 0, s is equal to 10. Don't worry about the inequality. It's just an equation. It becomes an equation to point to plot the line. Now s is equal to 0, h is equal to 10. So 0, comma 10, 10, comma 0 are points for the equation. So with that, you can put it here and then solve. You got it? Now the next one, what happens? You have to go for the next equation, right? For that one, how will I solve? I need to solve that as well, right? I need to find out points. So again, put h equal to 0. I will say 8s is equal to 56. S will be equal to 7. So what is the point here? H comma 7. This is hours, right? This is hours in house cleaning. This is hours in sales, right? Okay, if that is the case, right? So 0, comma 7 is a point. And then the second one for the second equation, this is solving the second equation. This is solving the first equation. Now for the second equation, put S is equal to 0. What happens? 5H is equal to 56. H will be equal to 11 point something, right? 11.2. So basically, what is the point then? 11.2, comma 0. So 11.2, comma 0 is somewhere here, right? That one and 0, comma 7. That is here, right? Now, is that a thick line or a dotted line? We did not see. Here, the equal to sign is there in both, right? If the equal to sign is there in both, it is basically a thick line. Any points on the line is also a solution. So I drew thick lines. Now here, I'm going to draw the other line. This is also a thick line, right? Now, we needed to, this is an inequality. So you need to shade first of all. For the first line, what does it say? H plus S is less than. Less than means the line is H plus S. So what you need to shade, the shaded part should be less than. So look at your y-axis, okay? Look at the y-axis. When you look at the y-axis, what happens here? You cannot have it like this, ma. So you have to make it, this is x, this is y. That is how we have assumed here, okay? So basically y is less than or equal to 10 minus h. So y is less than or equal to, meaning consider your equation is the line, okay? Consider y is what? Actually here y is sales, right? Yes, sir. S is less than or equal to 10 minus h means y-axis, whatever pieces, this is the y-axis, whatever points is less than or equal to the line. So this is the part that you're going to shade. Any questions here? Nabiha, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are reviewing. Okay, I know some of you know nicely, but then 5h plus 8s is greater than or equal to 56. That means where am I going to shade? I don't know. I will put into the y format. This is y, right? 8s is greater than or equal to 56 minus 5h. S is greater than or equal to 7 minus 5 by 8h, right? So now what are you going to shade? S is greater than or equal to. That means, oh, what did I do? Hold on. That means what? Where is my second line? This is my second line. So greater than or equal to means this is the side I'm going to shade, right? So now which region overlaps? Which region overlaps? Basically, my solution is this piece of the line because it's thick line. So any point on the line can be an answer. Any point on this line can be an answer. And this is the part that overlaps. Any questions, guys, here?
No.
Any questions? Okay. So now, what can be your answer? You have to work more, you have to work less than 10 hours. So any point in between these 2 points, literally, this is 7, comma 0. This point is 7, comma 0. The other point is 10, comma 0. So 8, comma 0. Can I choose 8, comma 0? I think I can. 8, comma 0. Where is it coming? Let's see. Let me show you. The point 8 comma 0 comes where? Let me write it down this in another color. I really want you to show nicely. So let's say a point here I chose, okay? That point is 8 comma 0. Will it satisfy our inequality? Go back and check. Go back to the inequalities. 8 plus 0, yes, it is less than or equal to 10. Right? And then 8 fives are 40. H value. See, this is H value, this is S value. You need to understand that what you're putting as H and S. So 8 times 5, 40 plus 8 times 0. 40. Oh, something feels wrong. 8 comma 0. Something feels wrong to me. 40. That's not satisfying, right, guys? So 8 comma 0 is not an answer, right? What was the mistake, guys? See, you will find your own mistakes very easily. So, which part of the graph overlaps? There is some problem somewhere, guys. Y is less than or equal to, y is less than or equal to, we shaded. And then 0, 11.2. What was the mistake here, guys? Something feels wrong. See, the solution is not working. I pick up a point in this shaded region. It is not working, right? So I'm going to redo and show you. Rishit, what points did you get? I'll show you guys. There is some mistake. So when you substitute it back, you will realize that there is a mistake in here. Are you all with me? Now, who can point out the mistake? See, that is also an art. Who can point out the mistake? I want one of you to point out the mistake here. Where, what are we missing? Pranav, did you understand where is the mistake? See, if you don't answer, I will keep calling out.
I
Where
don't
is
know.
the
And
answer.
the points are not working, right? So what were the points that you got? Example of a point that you got that solves the inequality? Akshada, did you get it, ma?
Oh, I think you mixed up the x and y. Like for the line that was like y is less than equal to like 11 and
Y is okay, let me see. We will rewrite it. Wait, H plus S. So S I took it here. S I took it here. H I took it here. So 0, comma 10, 10, comma 0. That is fine is what I think. So S is less than or equal to means it is less than or equal to. That makes sense. And the other points are 11.2. Oh my God. 11.2.
Miss Priya,
Yes, I made a mistake.
X is 11.2 and then
I got it. Yeah, yeah. Very nice, guys. It's great. It's great to see somebody pointing out that. Good job. So here I do see it clearly. What did I do? I'll show you. So this line was correct. But when I plotted the next line, what did I do by mistake? When I plotted this line, right? 0, comma 7. 0, comma 7 is H is 0, comma H is 0, comma 7. See, 7 should be before. And then the other one was 11.2, comma 0. It should have been like this. I switched it. Correct. Thank you, guys. So nice of you. Now, for me to color this, the up part should be colored. So the region that works properly, where the overlap happens, is this piece, guys. That is the issue. See? So any point in this green overlapping is the answer. So it is between, what is this point? 0, comma 7. And what is this point? 0, comma 10, right? So I can take 0, comma 8 as my answer. 0, comma 8 is possible answer. So when you substitute in here, yes, it is less than or equal to 10. And when you substitute this in here, 64 is greater than or equal to 56. So 0 hours in house cleaning and 8 hours in sales works. Or you can as well do 1 hour in house cleaning. 1, comma 7 also 1, comma 7 should also work is my thought. Let's see. 1, comma 7 will also work. If you add 1 plus 7 is less than or equal to 10. 1, comma 7 is 5 plus 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 5 is greater than or equal to 56. So possible answers are 0, comma 8, 1, comma 7. Any questions, guys? Any questions anybody has? Okay, I'm going to give you one more. I really want you guys to be able to do not very hard problems, but at least some problems. Let's see. I'll give you now. You're going to tell me whether. Okay. Okay. I'm going to ask you, hey, is this point a solution? Like that, I'm going to ask you. You're going to do all these steps. Define variables, write inequalities, solve the inequalities, and then tell me whether the point that I give you is a solution to the equation or not. Okay. Let me go ahead. How about this problem? Kate, let me type it out for you. Wait. I just want, this one is good. How about this? Selling pizza problem is good. How about this? You're going to come up with the, if you have a difficulty, please ping me. Okay, I'll help each of you. Harshita, you're not answering, ma. I am not understanding whether you're getting it or not. Are you?
Yeah, the last problem after you wrote the formula, I got.
You got it? Okay, we just reviewed, right? If you're stuck, you're going to ask me, Harshita. Okay, that is the main point of the class. You got it?
Okay.
Absolutely fine if you don't understand, but only if you keep quiet, it's a problem for me. It's concerning. Okay. And I will even think of, oh, whether we need to continue or not. You get it? Yeah. It not only applies to Harshita, for each of you. You're selling pizzas to raise money for a school field trip. Cheese pizza costs $8 and pepperoni pizza costs $9. You need to sell it. Go ahead, define the variables, write your inequalities. Let me know, guys. Quick, guys. And I'll give you a heads up on quadratics if possible. you're stuck, I would take it as soon as possible. No sitting there without not knowing. You can just shout out, I didn't get it. You didn't get it means I will have to accept it. There is nothing wrong.
Miss Priya, I don't understand when it says you need to sell at least 2 of each kind of pizza. I don't know how to write that equation.
You need to sell at least 2 of each kind of pizza. I see. Okay, I'll help you. Miss Priya, you aren't drawing anything. I'm not drawing anything. Pranav, was that a message now? No, right?
I sent that when you weren't
Oh, okay. Got it. You're selling pizzas to raise money for a field trip. Okay. Okay, choose pizza. Okay. Money for field trip. Cheese pizza costs $1. Pepperoni pizza costs $9. Okay. You need to sell at least 2 of each kind of pizza means what, Amma? What are your variables, Nabiha? I'll help you, Nabiha. What are your variables, Ma?
C and P.
Okay, you have it as CNP. This is cheese, huh?
Mm-hmm.
P is number of what pizza? Pepperoni, Okay. Pepperoni. Now, C is definitely greater than or equal to 2. P is definitely greater than or equal to 2. That's what this means. You got it? Nabiha, did I help you?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Rishit, C. Rishit,
Yeah.
I feel like the first inequality is incorrect. It's not the sum. You need to sell at least 2 of each kind of pizza.
Oh.
So that is not a single inequality. It becomes 2 inequalities. C is greater than or equal to 2. P is greater than or equal to 2. So you will have 3 lines now. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So you'll have 3 lines. You should see what is overlapping. You'll have 3 lines. How are you going to draw the lines? Guys, if you're done, I'm even okay to see each of your solution on the video. I want to see how you colored. Ma, please, each of you, I'll call you out if you didn't get it. So if you didn't get it, volunteer and say, and I'll help you.
Miss Priya, can you check my equations?
Sorry, ma. Yes, I was not on the chat window. What is it? At least 180. Okay. See, I think I like Akshada's way. Always put it as X and Y. H and S was so confusing last time. Always put it as X and Y variables. Good job, Akshada. Go ahead. It's okay, Vinisha. As long as you recognize it, I'm happy, ma.
Miss Priya.
Vinisha, your equations are not correct, ma. Vinisha, the first equation is correct, ma. Second equation, think about it. Each kind of pizza should be greater than or equal to 2. Why did you multiply by 2? You see what I mean? Not really?
Not really. I'll try to figure it out.
No problem, no problem. Wait. No, you don't have to try to figure it out. I'll help you, I'm saying. What I'm saying is, Vinisha, I'm just telling it for you. Please listen. See, C is the number of cheese pizza, P is the pepperoni pizza, right? They're saying you need to sell at least.
Oh, okay. Wait, I got it.
So this holds good rather than this. You got it? Ma, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Boys out, guys. See, if you clarify one thing here, you'll be able to do 10 things at school. So just reread the problem. Make sure your inequalities are correct. That is also a good way of understanding your mistakes.
Miss Priya. I got the equation. And I got this. So is the x is greater than or equal to 2 and y is greater than or equal to 2? Is that the final answer?
Correct, ma. Illama. See. Okay, good question. Did you graph it, Adira? Did you start graphing it?
No, because I don't like I'm not good at graphing.
Yeah, Harshita's inequalities are correct. Yes, thank you, Yojit, for the message. Okay, Adira, you are good at it, ma. Just tell me where are we missing. So please, I will also consider it as X and Y because it's so confusing for me. X,
So
Y, cheese pizza is 8, right? 8x plus 9y is greater than or equal to 180. These are the equations. Now,
yeah,
Adira, for me to help you, right? Do you know how to graph this? Meaning, don't think of this as an inequality. Can you graph x equal to 2, y equal to 2 first of all? After that, shading we'll see. Shading, we have to consider the signs. Can you graph these lines?
okay.
You have to graph this line. These 3 lines you need to graph. I want to see your video, your graphing on the videos now. I would like to start quadratics, provided you guys understand and do 2 problems well in this inequality. Rishit, are you getting it, Rishit?
Yeah.
Vinisha, again, it's incorrect, ma. C plus P is not greater than or equal to 2.
I graphed x equals to 2 and y equals to 2.
And graph the third equation, Adira.
Where is it?
Miss Priya, can you check if my answer for P is right?
Really? Something feels wrong, Nabiha, but I will check.
Wait, Miss Priya, which one's the third equation?
I want you to answer that, but I don't mind helping you. Okay. What is the third equation? You tell me, Adira. Based on the cost, cheese pizza cost $8 and pepperoni pizza cost $9. You need to sell at least 180 worth of pizza. So what should be your third equation?
8x plus 9y is greater than
Correct.
or equal to 180.
Correct, ma. Correct. So can you graph that as well? Do you know Adira to graph?
No.
Okay, I'll help you. Hey, Anya, what are you doing, ma?
Oh yeah, I'm trying to understand. Like I'm able to understand the problem, but like I am able to understand it. But I'm trying to figure out if there's
I
like
will help you. Don't keep quiet. I'm saying, where are you stuck? You shout out. Auntie, I don't understand this here. I'll help you.
and no, I'm able to understand. I just don't get how to graph it.
No, graph it. I'll help you. See, there are many people who don't know to graph now. Okay, I'll help you. So, can I go ahead and show you how to graph for some of you? At least 1 or 2 I'll show you. Then you're going to graph and show me. See, this is the coordinate plane, right? We have first graph x equal to 2 line. How will the graph of x equal to 2 line be? One of you tell me. Pranav, you want to tell me what is x equal to 2 line?
It's right. It's
1, 2. This is x. X equal to 2 is
yeah.
here. Always x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means y, irrespective of any value of x, x is equal to 2. So this is your line. What is the line y equal to 2? What is your line y equal to 2? Always, irrespective any value of x, y equal to 2. So this is y equal to 2 line, correct? Now how to shade them? Is it a thick line? Yeah, thick line, because the equal to sign is present, it's a thick line. Greater than or equal to 2 means this part is shaded for this one, right? The second one, I want to put it in a different color for you to be clear. Second one, this part is shaded. And then what is our third? That's a little tricky. What is the third equation? You need to see that third equation you cannot graph as is. You have to bring it to the form y. Y only should be on one side. Divide by 9, divide by 9. So you get y is greater than or equal to 20 minus 8 by 9x. See, the slope is negative. So it is going to be a downward line. It is going to come out like this. Let's see. So put x equal to 0. How to graph? Put x equal to 0. Y will be what, Adira?
Wait, what?
If I put x equal to 0 in the equation, what is the value of y?
0.
Adira, I want you to listen, ma.
If you put x equal to 0, 20?
Yes, 20. If I put y equal to 0, what happens? 20 equal to 8 by 9 x, right? X will be equal to 20 times 9 by 8, right? So 45 by 2, 22.5, correct? So the points, what are the points? 0, 20, 22.5, 0. Where is 0, 20? 0, 20 is 0, 20 somewhere here, right? This is 0, 20. And then 22.5, 0 is somewhere here, correct? So connect these 2 points. That is your line. It should be a thick line because equal to sign is present. Harshita, are you following?
Yeah, I got it.
Now what happened? What should be colored? Y is greater than. Look at the y axis. Y is greater means all parts above the line. You see this is your y part. All y's above the line. This is your line. Line equation is this. This is your line. So all y values greater than or equal to means you're going to color this piece. Rishit, are you following Rishit?
Yeah.
Now what is the overlapping part? Three lines
Over here.
overlapping, red, yellow. So any point on this line, thick line, right? So any point on this line is also an answer. Any point on this line or any point here. What does that mean? If I take x comma y value on this line, let's say I take an x value of 10 comma 2, or I take let's say I take 3 comma 10. 3 comma 10 is where? 3 comma 10 is somewhere here inside this region, right? 3 comma 10 is somewhere in this region. So like this, if I take any xy points either on this line, or on this line, or in the region that overlaps all the shaded lines, that can be, there can be multiple answers. Okay, so it can end up that what is here, what is x actually? Cheese pizzas. So if I have 10 cheese pizzas and 2 pepperoni pizzas, it works. If I have 3 cheese pizzas and 10 pepperoni pizzas, that as well works. You see? So you can select any point that would work. So inequality does not have a single answer. That's what it means. But I have a question for you here. Okay. You have to let me know yes or no as the answer for this one. Let me give you the question here. You sell 14 cheese pizzas and 10 pepperoni pizzas. Did you reach your goal or not? Who can answer this? So the point is, yeah, go ahead, Anya. 14 comma 10. Go ahead, Anya. You raised your
Well,
hand.
I'm not sure if this is right, but like if 14 cheese pizzas is $8, well, practically you do 14 times 8, and like 14 times 8 is, wait, hold on.
Yeah, another way of thinking that, Anya, we
Yeah,
are solving
14 times 8 is 112, and then 14 times 8 is 112, and practically 112 plus 90 is more than 180. It's like 202, and
yeah,
it's like more than.
but you cannot solve that one inequality alone. You have to check the other inequalities as well. Is x greater than or equal to 2? Y greater? You
Yeah,
have
and then yeah, and that's also greater than or equal to 2, both the values, and it can be like graphed as a point on the line, like in the shaded section, so it works.
Good job. So putting it into the equations will tell you whether you have solved correctly. Other option is the point. What is the point? 14 comma 10 is given, right? Is that point inside the shaded region? 14 comma 10 will be somewhere here, right? So definitely it solves, because that is the region for the solution. Wherever the shadings overlap, right? That is your solution. So 14 comma 10 does work. Do you all get it? Mahir, are you following, Mahir?
Yeah.
I think it's easy, guys. Since you're coming on vacation, I'm just being a little slow, but at the same time, I want to give you 2 more problems and stop there. Let's see. Mm, I don't know. Maybe one more. Give me a minute, guys. I'll give you a harder problem. I don't want the easy ones that we were doing. Let's see. Okay. Who can tell me the answer to this? Who can? I want everybody's answer. Okay, let's see. Are you all able to see the question? This is more of a skill problem. A graph of a linear inequality in two variables is shown on the coordinate grid. Which inequality represents all possible combinations of x and y shown in the grid? So, see, one option is plot the graph for each of A, B, C, D. See, one thing very clear is all the y parts above the line are shaded. So, what you can eliminate? As soon as you see the graph, all the points on the y-axis above the line is shaded. So
you can eliminate B and C.
Exactly, you can clearly eliminate B and C quickly. That is how you get fast at mathematics solving.
Miss Priya, could you check my answer?
Yes, Akshada, I saw your answer. Okay, there it is. Yes, Pranav, I'm checking Pranav. Give me a minute. Oh, I did not choose. Oh my God. Okay. Give you a dotted line. Yes, Pranav, that's right. Your answer is right, Pranav. I want answers from everybody. Rishit, that's right. Bhakti and Srinita. Where are we? What is the slope of the line, Bhakti and Srinita? Rishit, that's right. Yojit, what is the slope of the line? Adira, Harshita got it, Nabiha got it, Akshada got it, Nagir got it. What is the slope of the line? Okay. Anya, Yojit, Bhakti.
Wait, never mind, sorry.
Srinita,
Sorry.
what is the no problem, ma. See, there is no problem in making a mistake. At the end, you have to understand. Vinisha, correct, ma. So, what is the slope of the line? That's what you guys need to check properly. Is it half or 2? That is the difference between the two equations, right? A and D. So, please check properly. Y by X, change in Y by change in X. Yeah. I get it. All of you put X by Y. Yeah. So, it's okay. So, but the others, did you get it? Yojit got it. He's confirming in chat. Others? Bhakti,
Yeah.
Srinita, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll move on, guys. So let's see. I want a word problem now. How about this? This one is a table. See, I tried to mix and match the types of problems, so you're good with inequalities. Let's see. This one is a table problem. Let's see. Now comes these pieces. Inequalities. Word problems again. The harder ones. Let's see. If you're asked to solve, the same thing will come in algebra too. Correct, Pranav. Good job.
Is mine correct?
Is it correct? Anya? No, Anya. Why? I don't know where you're getting confused. I can help you, ma. Srinit,
Oh wait, actually, I see where I went wrong.
Harshita, very impressive, Harshita. Honestly. Ma, if you don't know, shout out Harshita, okay? I know how good you are in that class. So, Srinita, something feels wrong, ma. Can you help or you want to try? Mm, Mahir correct, Bhakti correct, Adira incorrect, Vinisha incorrect. Why? Vinisha and Srinita, can you educate me why you chose B?
Wait, I made a mistake. Hold on.
Oh, you saw one. Okay.
I like plugged in the
Values, huh?
X values
Yeah, that's what I
into.
did too. That's what I
Correct.
did.
Ma. In that case, did you plug in all the values and see? It might be very deceptive.
Yeah, I plugged in all the values.
Really? Then let me where could be. Yeah, let me see. I don't know. Minus 2 comma 2, right? Minus 2 comma 2. No, right? The first itself fails, amma. Beaker. See. 2 is not greater than 2, right? No.
Oh, I did it wrong. I did it wrong.
Oh,
No
yeah,
problem.
me too.
No problem. Just correct it. Nabi Hadira, correct ma. Rishit, again, the same problem. Rishit, how are you solving?
Oh, I plugged in the X values, not the Y.
Ah, okay. So you all interchanged X and Y, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. See, I just want to know so that next time when I tell, I'll tell that in advance too. So X, Y, you have to correctly put it in X and Y, then only it works. They will also give you answers in such a way they, if interchange, it will come correctly. So you need to be very careful. Can I move on? I think I can move on. Akshada, you also got it, right, Akshada? Okay,
Yeah.
I have this equation. This one is easy, relatively easy, guys. These sort of problems only will come in star. Okay, star will have only this standard. The one that we
What's
graphed and
star?
what ma?
What is star?
Oh, star is a Texas exam. For you, you have NJAS. So there is an exam, right, Anya, for you as well.
Yeah, we have NWEA.
NWEA conducts map, right?
Yeah, we take math.
The year-end test.
Oh,
NJ,
we have MSTEP. We have MSTEP.
MSAT.
MSTEP.
Can you please spell out for me?
MSTEP.
Oh, M step. Okay. See, that exam will have only relatively lesser intense problems. The one that we solved, right, like drawing 3 lines, seeing the overlapping region, all that comes only in your local test, or it will again come in algebra 2. That will be a little harder. 3 hard inequalities they'll give. Now you just got easy. X is greater than or equal to, Y is greater than or equal to. That will come in algebra 2. It will be a little harder. That they will call it as linear programming in algebra 2. Okay, I'm checking. Correct. Pranav, Yojit, correct. Akshada, correct. Nabiha, we are getting confused. Did you put it correctly, Nabiha? 200. Seema, lime tree is 100. Orange tree is 200. Did you put that correctly? Vinisha, correct. Srinita, somewhere we are making mistakes. Same problem. Like Srinita, Nabiha. It seems incorrect.
I'm at a different. Wait.
And I can help you. If you need help, I'll help you. Whoever needs, shout out.
No, I typed in like
Okay.
I meant to type in something else.
Okay, Anya, correct. Anya. No, Anya. Srinita, correct. Amma, please define the variables, ma. Follow the same steps. Define the variables. Write out the variables, then only you'll know. Adira, correct. Ahi, did you get the answer? Rishit, we are losing somewhere, Rishit.
Miss Priya, I understood what I got wrong.
Sure, ma. I'm glad. Good job, Nabiha. Rishit, be careful with the sign, Rishit. Your equation seems right, but did you make a mistake? Correct, Anya. Rishit, did you realize your mistake?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. Can I move on? Hey, Bhakti, did you get it?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Did you send the answer, Bhakti?
I think I did.
No.
Oh,
Send. If you keep quiet, nobody will bother about you. You have to voice out. It's you who should make the class productive. Go ahead. Bhakti, send it out. Okay, the others who have completed, right? Can I give you a challenge? Okay. This one is a challenge, but can come in the state test. Let's see. Bhakti, I need your original answer, Bhakti. You have to send the previous answer first. Anya, is it? I'll check my Bhakti. What you said is the previous problem itself you did not send.
Oh, I was gonna send them together.
No, send the first one quickly because I need to see. Send the first one quickly. Harshita correct ma, second one. Anya correct ma. I think you guys have a good hang now, right? Of inequalities is what I feel, provided you don't make sillies. Harshita correct. Bhakti, it is incorrect, Bhakti. Where are you getting confused? You can explain to me, Bhakti. First one.
So it says no more than 3,100.
No more means what? 3,100 is the lowest or the highest?
The highest.
Okay, 3,100 is the highest. That means what? Meaning 3,100 is the highest. So that should be meaning highest means crocodile large mouth should point to it, correct?
Yeah.
Or it can be equal, right?
Oh, okay.
You get it? Think of it like this. It is no more means is it highest or lowest? If it is highest, then put the crocodile mouth open to that side. You got it? Okay, Nabiha correct. I don't get the first equation. Do you? Yojit Nabiha correct. Who didn't get the first one? Yojit Nabiha correct on the second one. Vinisha, you didn't get the first one, ma?
No, I didn't get like the first like equation in the second problem.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'll go ahead and delete it. Now, Bhakti, send the correct answer for the first one, Bhakti. You didn't
Oh,
get.
okay.
Vinisha, y is greater than or equal to minus 11 means go through the y values, ma. Are all of the y values greater than or equal to minus 11?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Simple, right? It's okay. See, here is where you clarify your problems. Nabiha correct. Rishit correct. Rishit correct both. Rishit, the second one is incorrect. Hey, wait, guys, you are making me doubt my answer. Rishit and Akshata, somewhere you went wrong, guys. Did you guys check the third equation, Rishit and Akshata?
Yeah.
Is it not working?
But let me check again.
Yeah, Akshata.
The third one doesn't work. It's only the first one.
Third one doesn't work, right, Rishit? Then why did you choose D?
Yeah, I just saw where I went wrong.
No worries, but just be careful. That's all. Okay, I think we can move on. Can I move on, guys? Yeah, I think we can move on from inequalities. Okay, you're all solving word problems too good. Nicely. Okay, now coming to quadratics, how shall I get started? I want to get started in a way it's very nice for you guys. Give me 1 minute. Give me a minute, guys. I'm doing something for your homework as well. One inequalities. There are just 11 problems this week. Don't know where are we in the book. I will check. Okay, not now though. Now I want to go ahead and solve. quadratics. Do you know how to graph y equal to x square, guys? Do you know? You all know how to graph linear equation, right? We have been doing it again and again and again. Y equal to x square. What do you do? How do you plot it? Who can tell me?
So you have to do the squares of x. For
Correct.
example, if x is 1, then y is 1, x 2, y 4.
Nice. Let's consider two negative values. Okay. 0 and 1 and 5. Two positive values. So minus 5 is a 25. 1 is a 1. 0 is a 0. 1, 25. Now can I plot these points? So minus 5 is a 25. Somewhere here. Minus 1 comma 1. 0 comma 0. See, I'm going by these points. 1 comma 1. Then again 25. You got it? So here we go. You got it? This is called a parabola. Okay. The power of
Miss Priya,
Yama.
I'm pretty sure this is what we're doing after break-ins in math.
Oh, nice. Okay. So y equal to x is a linear equation. Y. The power of x is a 1. The power of x is a 2. When the power of x is a 2, you call that as a quadratic equation. It's from Latin, I think. Quad. It's a quadratic equation. And the shape of the graph is a parabola. Y equal to x means it's a linear graph. It's a line graph. The power of x is 1. How about this? What do you call this graph? When the power of x is 3. What can it be called? Guess, guys, based on names, right? It's linear is a line. Quadratic means power 2. Power 3 means what? Huh?
Exponential.
Cubic. Cubic. I'll tell you when will it be called exponential? Good thought. Rishit, you brought up exponential, right? See, x is in the power. X is itself in the power means it becomes exponential. You got it? X has a power means it's linear, quadratic, or cubic, or quartic. X power 4 is quartic, x power 5 is pentic. Okay, x is itself in the power means it becomes exponential graph. Okay, now let's go ahead.
What if it's x power x?
X power x sama. X power x I don't know. Honestly, what is it called? I don't know. I can check and tell you. But a good question though. Hold on. I'll come to that. I'll check and tell you. But in the meantime, I really want you to get started with the quadratic. Let me finish that. And then I'll answer your question before the end of the class. X power x. Nice question though. I don't know the name. Okay. So let's see. Quadratic. Where are we getting started on quadratic?
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is class ending at 10:30 today?
10:30 because see, I started late. Okay, you guys, if you can log in by 8:25, it's great. Okay, so that we can end by 9:30. You got it?
Okay.
So
Makes
are we
sense?
ending at 10:35 today?
I'll finish it in another 1 or 2 minutes. Is that okay?
Okay.
You have somewhere to go, you go log off, I would say it's okay. Does it make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now guys, we are done. We are almost through how to graph. Okay, y equal to x square you graphed already, right? Suppose if you're given the equation y equal to 2 plus x square, what will you do? How will you graph it? Always be dependent on the table. You got it? Minus 5, minus 1, 2 negative values, 1 positive value. Now substitute it in here. 25 plus 2, 27. Minus 1 square is 1. Plus 2. Minus 1 square is 1. Plus 2. 3. Put 0 there. You get y equal to 2. Put x equal to 1 there. 3. Put 2 there again. 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now you plot this into a graph. Minus 5 is 27. Minus 1 is 3. 0 is 2. 1 is 3. See the symmetrical. See, it is symmetrical about the y-axis. You see this quadratic graph is symmetrical about the y-axis. You see, sometimes it's called an even function because it's symmetric about the y-axis. Okay, now you know how to graph it. But now can you tell me, this one is like this, right? Can you tell me the domain for this one? Who can tell me the domain and range for this one? What is the domain? Please, with that we'll conclude. Domain and range.
For the table or for the graph?
Both. See, this is the first graph. Let's do the domain and range for this one first. What is the domain? Keeps on going. Keeps on going. So what happens to the domain and range?
All real numbers.
All real
Yes,
numbers.
domain is all real numbers. Good job. Range?
All real numbers greater than 0.
Yep, y is greater than or equal to 0. How about this domain and range? Graph.
All real numbers again.
Yes, domain is all reals because any x value, because it keeps on going, any x value will hold good. But what is the range?
Y is greater than 2.
Greater than or equal
to 2.
2 is included. And the last one I wanted to discuss with you was y equal to minus x square. What happens, guys? Quick.
So it's negative x.
Let me put only 3 values, okay, for time's sake. 0, 2. Now what happens? Substitute minus 2. What happens? Minus of x is minus
It's going to
2.
become 4.
Ah,
I mean,
see here, y equal to like
negative 4.
negative 4. Put y equal to 0, y equal to negative of 0 square. What is that? 0. Y equal to 2. What happens?
It's 0.
Really?
No, I was talking about for the second table.
Okay.
4.
This will be again minus 4.
Like the 0 to 0, yeah. And then the second, the
0,
last one would
0.
be 4.
So what happens here?
Negative 4.
Because of this negative, my u inverts. Did you see that?
What's the inverted U called?
This is also a parabola. Okay, the parabola, but it is inverted because of the negative sign. Negative sign in front of in the y equal to immediately followed by a negative sign indicates that it is a reflection on the x-axis.
Okay.
Reflection on x-axis. You guys got it?
Yeah.
So I gave you an intro. Now the domain and range for this will change. Domain is all reals. Range, who wants to say quick?
All numbers less than 0.
Yep. So y is less than or equal to 0. Guys, did you all get it? So first you need to know whatever be the equation, right? Whatever you're given. Tomorrow you will be given y equal to 3x square plus 2. How do you graph it? Put the table x and y. Put any values for x, 3 values. Find out the y value, graph it. That's all. That's the graph. You all got it? It will give you a lot of push if you know that. Just put down x values, any values you can put down. Take some negative, some positive, 0 value. Then find out the y, graph it. And then you should know the domain and range. I'll stop here, guys. I'll see you all next week. By that time, you'll have homework only on inequalities and a little bit on quadratics. That's all. Any questions?
No.
Miss Priya, is there a new Google Classroom?
No, ma, the same, right? I did send out an email that has the same Google Classroom.
Okay. Thank
Thanks
you.
for checking. I really appreciate it. Okay,
Bye,
guys.
Miss Priya.
Any questions? Stay, guys. Otherwise, you can log off. See you all next week. Have a wonderful week in school.
Bye.
Okay, thank
Bye,
you.
Miss
Bye.
Priya.
Bye, guys.
Miss
Bye, Miss
Priya.
Priya.